Everybody. So today I thought I would be taking my own energy about uh, the money magnet thing. How how many of our mid-career professionals they are suffering from some or other money-related things. So rather than telling them about what all to do, I thought, why not me doing the same thing about money. So it is a small exercise, just like the affirmations that we do. Can we not do some exercises every day, whatever you can? So for daily 2 minutes, we can do stand up in front of a mirror and look into our own eyes, and we can say, I'm a wealth creator. Money loves me because I create value. So this uh, kind of encourages you to create some kind of value. So, what value did you create today? Feel the energy shift. Not like you are trying, but it is already true because you are creating value. What is in your control? Creating value, right? The second exercise will be the rupees one money attraction game. Every day, attract at least 1 rupees consciously. It can be a cashback, discount, found coin, someone gifting, a tiny sale, or earning. Write it down. This teaches your brain one, I attract money. Small wins create big consciousness. Maybe you can check your mobile and see all the money back things that is, those offers are there. Third is the abundance work. Work for 10 minutes observing abundance around you. Might be trees, buildings, shops, vehicles, opportunities. Repeat silently. There is abundance everywhere. Money is everywhere. Your subconscious begins to see the opportunities instead of lack. So it doesn't happen one day. That is the disclaimer. So, but if you train your mind, it kind of clicks bit by bit. Maybe it will click something today. It might be something tomorrow. The money confidence jar is the fourth trick. Every time you take an action related to earning, say you call a proposal, you write a proposal, you message, you learn, you network, write it on a sheet and put into a jar. Watch it fill. You realize you are already becoming deserving, plus you are active. Can you do it? So for me, it becomes too many things to handle. So what I do is I maintain diaries like this. This is a diary for my songs for my early morning 5 a.m. session. This is for all my friends. And this is a goal setting uh, log for 108 days. Surprisingly, I had taken this on 2024, and the last date that I had written was 24th August 2024. And after that, I wrote it yesterday. This is more than 1 year gap. So don't kindly crowd your days with lot of ideas, but these ideas, whatever I am saying, not all of them are to be taken up simultaneously. Whatever you can, please take that. Then the exercise number 5 is rewrite your money story. Like money used to mean something earlier. Now money means something. Now. So from today, my relationship with money is right. Whatever your relationship with money is. This rewrites the emotional relationship with wealth. So today, money for me means it creates a lot of opportunities for myself and for people around me. Exercise number 10 is 10 is to 10 receiving ritual. Morning, write 10 reasons why I deserve money. Night, write 10 ways money came to me today. Even tiny things count. This shifts your frequency into receiving more. Then, exercise number 7 is the 10x value experiment. Every day, do one action that creates value. Help someone, share knowledge, improve a process, offer a resource. People pay for value. Money follows impact. So, this means what? You can create some resource and share with people. That will help you. People will see your authority on something that you have experimented and they want something. Number 8 is future self embodiment. Close your eyes and ask, what would the version of me who earns 5 lakhs or 50 lakhs or 50 crores do today? Then do one thing they would do. This aligns identity with wealth. So if I'm earning 5 lakhs, what do I do today? I am thinking of creating a yoga center. So uh, I'll of course invest in creating that yoga center. It might be a small thing to start with, but that is what I will do. If I do not receive, then what do I do? If I do not receive, then actually I create an identity because it is very difficult to take out your money from somewhere and invest somewhere just because you are doing a money exercise. So what do you do in that case? Actually, you can write an entire page uh, about how to create. So that is what is called the detailing exercise. Then exercise number 9 is the money visualization ritual. Sit quietly for 5 minutes and visualize. Bank account is growing, feeling relaxed and joyful, paying bills with ease, investing wisely, celebrating abundance. Feel it like it is already a reality. For mid-career professionals, this might be, many of this might be a reality already. So if your body feels peaceful, you are aligned. If your body feels tight, a limiting belief needs clearing. So that is what I am going through. A limiting uh, belief about investing in personal development. You know, right now, of course, I can invest something, but the extent of investing that is required right now doesn't feel like it. So it will drain my saving. So there is a conflict. So for that, I have chosen this exercise for today. Hope this helps you. Now the exercise number 10 is stop leakage exercise. Write a list of people, acts, habits, thoughts that leak time, energy, or money. Circle the top 3 and reduce them this way. When leaks stop, flow increases. So, this is what you can say daily. Everything I touch turns into gold, ideas into income, efforts into wealth, and time into abundance. Say it until your sales believe it. How will you feel when you become a money magnet? So, how do you know you have already become a money magnet? Calm confidence instead of desperation, excitement instead of fear, gratitude instead of pressure, expansion instead of contraction, pride instead of shame. A quiet, powerful knowing. Money is my friend. It flows to me easily. The day before, I was reading what made Trump a billionaire. You think after he has become president of United States, he has started accumulating wealth? No, it was a solid foundation of his family beforehand. So that is where his confidence comes. And that is why he thinks he can do things, multiple things, which are not logical, not accepted. Still, he does. So, wealth can bring you that. Even this happens in our own country. So, instead of kind of blaming, if we can be positive, if we can be constructive, something will fail, something will be constructive and fruitful. Let us be mindful of all that. Thank you.